Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we delve deep into the cosmos and explore the incredible world of satellites. Today, we're going to shine a spotlight on one of the most significant satellites ever launched, ISS Resilience. This satellite is a game changer in the realm of space exploration, and it's not something you want to miss out on. ISS Resilience is a satellite of unprecedented size, measuring 60 feet tall and weighing an impressive 57 tons. It's so enormous that it needs to be transported on a specially designed 16-story rocket just to make its way into space. This giant satellite is destined to revolutionize our understanding of Earth's atmospheric wind patterns. It will be able to capture detailed images of these patterns with its advanced instruments, all while orbiting our planet at an altitude of approximately 435 miles. This incredible mission was launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida on April 25th this year. The launch was nothing short of spectacular, with ISS Resilience soaring into the sky on top of a mighty SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The satellite then deployed successfully into its orbit, marking a monumental achievement in human history. So there you have it, fellow astronauts. I hope you enjoyed this captivating journey through the stars. Stay tuned for more exciting space adventures coming your way soon. And as always, thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey.